Hi, I'm Heather Ryan, and I'm going to show you how to assemble your water cup. I'll also share a couple of tips and tricks at the end. So first of what we're going to do is go ahead and dump everything out, and we will sort them by the pieces. You are going to have one water molecule or hydroxyl group that looks like it's wrong, but there is a reason for this. So you should have one that does not have a hydrogen on top. Comes pre-assembled in your cup. Okay, now that I have everything sorted, we're first going to start with our ethane and ethanol. What you will do first is to connect the gray pieces. So go ahead and fold them up, and then the post from one will go into the hole of the other. Okay? Then you will take your bag of hydrogens without magnets, and you can dump those out, and then go ahead and just start putting them on all of the posts. Then you will have one hole, and you have a tiny gray post that you can put in the hydrogen. So we'll snap that in, and then that can go in the last spot. If you look really closely, and we may need to zoom in for this, there are tiny triangles around that one that you just put on. And when it comes time to change this to a hydroxyl, to an ethanol, that is where you want to put the hydroxyl group. So you find that one hydrogen that has the arrows pointing all around it, and that's the one that you will take off. Sometimes this gray post will end up sticking in that one's stuck in there tight. So sometimes that gray post sticks here in the gray piece, and if that happens, you can take a ballpoint pen or something else that is sharp and pry that out. But really we want to keep it with this hydrogen, so I'm going to put that back in. And then this is where you go ahead and insert the hydroxyl group to make ethanol. Okay, so you will just alternate between these two pieces for this part of the kit. Then what we need to do is go ahead and assemble our water molecules. And with that, you'll take two red oxygen pieces, and you can see that there's a post and a hole in the bottom. So you'll line those up and snap them together. Then you will go ahead and snap a hydrogen on each of those posts. I find it easier to keep these in a line when doing this. And then keep going, lining up the two posts and holes. And I like to go ahead and do all of my oxygens first. and then go ahead and snap on all of the hydrogens. Okay, now you have all of your kit assembled in just a couple of minutes. So I said that I was going to share 2 tips and tricks with you. So the first is with your ethane and ethanol. After your students use this in class, it's best to check your hydrogens and to make sure that they didn't mix up the magnetic hydrogens that are supposed to be on the water with the non-magnetic ones that go here on the ethane. So the fastest way to do this, instead of checking all of your water to make sure it's good, if you just check and make sure your ethane is good, then you'll know you're set. So what I do is I just take a water molecule and touch it to each of the 6 hydrogens here. And then I know that this set has all of the hydrogens in the right places. So that is the one trick. And the other is I will show you how to go ahead and model hexagonal ice very quickly. There are instructions on how to do this online, but maybe this video will help. So when we are making hexagonal ice, the water molecules are going to always sit in one of 2 ways. They're either going to be in this horizontal with our 2 hydrogens pointing out like this, or they're going to be what I call vertical with the hydrogens pointing up and down. And really we're just going to keep alternating these 2 positions. So I'm going to leave those there, and then I'm going to start with this horizontal one holding in my hand like this, and then I'm going to add 2 verticals on either side there. Then I'm going to add a horizontal onto the bottom hydrogen on each of these. Okay, and this is the tricky part. Sometimes you do need to set this down at this point, and you are going to insert a vertical one right in between those 2. So now you will see that you have 3 horizontal and 3 vertical. And now we're going to make another ring exactly like that. So we're starting with the horizontal and doing 2 vertical on each of those hydrogens. Then a horizontal on the bottom hydrogen on each of those, and then a vertical here in the middle that connects it all. So now that we have 2 rings of 6 that are identical, we are going to then turn one around 180 degrees and then stack it right on top. And now we have hexagonal ice, and your students can see that there's extra space in here between them. And so this is the demonstration of how water expands as it freezes. Okay, so with that, that is my assembly video, and good luck. Happy modeling.